Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business social media post using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and import the image for my business post. I duplicate the layer immediately. I go to Camera Raw filter and add film grain slowly. I stop and observe how the texture changes the mood. Social media business visuals need warmth, not harshness. I keep the grain light and even. I zoom in to ensure the subject stays sharp. I adjust roughness slightly to avoid distraction. I take a short pause and zoom out. The image now feels more human. I add business text and position it carefully so the grain supports readability. I align everything neatly and check spacing.